I trade something called sentimental analysis, which means I'm looking at the psychology behind the moves rather than looking at the technicals or the fundamentals. It's something that I've done since 2018, and I have got to a point where I can find it very, very quickly and then trade accordingly. Now, I took a Euro-New Zealand trade this morning because it just looked perfect. And I'm gonna go through this, explain it to you guys, break it down, show you the live trade, and then hopefully you guys are gonna get a better understanding about how I look at the markets and how you can potentially use this in your trading. It's like, I'm gonna have to open the windows, it's too hot. What we're looking for is advertisements in the market. So are you either buying or selling from the current structure that we've got? Every single morning, we wake up and we perceive the markets. I am perceiving the markets and painting a picture of where is the liquidity for today. First thing that I'm looking at is we've got a lower high here, we've got a lower low, and we've got a lower low here. This is telling me we should be pushing towards the downside. We then get a lower high. It's not quite a lower low in comparison to this, but then we get a push towards the upside. Again, this is still all below this lower high here, so it doesn't really matter, but then we create this lower low. First thing in the morning, I can see that we're in a downwards trend. This is telling me, traders, we don't have liquidity towards the downside, we've got liquidity towards the upside. If you're trading this and you're seeing this and you're seeing we're making lower lows, we're rejecting a certain region, we're respecting this area right here perfectly. And then on the 5-minute chart, we're doing the same thing. We've created this rejection here, we've created a rejection here, lower swing high, lower low, and then we created this lower low. Now this was my point of entry. So I actually entered from this region here. So now we've built this perspective of traders are selling from this region based on the structure that we've got on this chart. Where am I placing my stop loss and where am I placing my target? So there's 3 or 4 targets, well, really 3 targets. We've got 1, 2, 3 targets down here, and we've got an area where there is stop losses which are above here. So ultimately I know the money is here and the TPs are here. Now, the further price comes down, again, this is where the sentimental analysis comes in. The further the price comes down, the more that the traders are gonna be like, yes, it's going in my direction. I called this right. It's positive towards the traders, which is negative towards us because it's going towards our stop loss and towards their take profits. Now, this is what we want to see. We don't always want to see our trades going straight to target. We want to see us come down, price come down towards their take profits so they get happy. Happy endorphins mean traders are excited and they think their trades are going to win. And then what happens? Their stop losses get hit. And I know traders, you have seen this before where you enter the market, price comes towards your take profit, and then suddenly stop losses get hit. Now, what I like to see is a break and retest on these supports that have been broken, that turn to resistance, and then a sort of push towards the downside. And this is what we got. We got exhaustion wicks here, which tells me, traders are definitely looking for this push towards the downside. And what ends up happening, traders, is we get this strong move. Now, this candle is important to me. Again, major confirmation, and this is actually where I added to my position because we broke the next low. We're continuing to break the lows. I'm thinking we're just gonna dump now, right? No, that's not what happens, traders. We end up coming and taking out that liquidity. Now, this was a beautiful trade, a textbook trade for me in the morning. This is a breakdown of sentimental analysis. This is how you can understand the markets in a different perspective. You can understand a lot about the markets by understanding why it's moving somewhere. So not just the how it's moving there, but the why it's moving there. Traders, if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.